So guys, now welcome. Before we actually do an analysis on our pound USD, please don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe to this my channel. I want you to subscribe. Now, as you can see, our pound. If you watch my video, if you watch my analysis, weekly analysis, you see where I predicted that our price will actually be falling this week. So for some days, I purposely did not do some analysis video. So as you can see now, we've actually gotten that our fall. By the way, we actually added this our 4, by the way, and now we're actually now having this bullish move, which I'm calling a pullback area, and possibly we'll be having it to this our key area here, which is around this place. Definitely we see we are almost getting there. We are seeing a pullback, then actually a push up is continuing going to happen, giving us like a double top. Now we are going to sit on our 4-hour time frame. As you can see that our price has fallen, right now our price has now pushed up. Definitely we would want to be hitting this our key area here. Why? Because we can see that this key area here has once serves as our support. Definitely we would want our price to actually hit this our support, give us a pullback, then possibly push up again and hit this our support, giving us like a double top. But when do you think our pullback will end? I personally think our pullback will actually end around this area here. So for the day our pullback is not yet over, we would want to continue to see a drop on this our pullback before we actually now go bullish again to give us like a double top, then a fall on our pound USD. Exactly what I am seeing, the price, exactly what I am seeing. So as you can see now, we are actually on a pullback on our 4-hour time frame. Definitely we'll be seeing our pullback to hit this area here before we actually not see a bullish move on our pound USD. As you can see, those who watch our who was aware that yesterday the Bank of England increased our interest rates, increased the interest rate, I think to 1.75 or so, and you can see that even have an effect move on our pound USD. As our pound actually went bullish, it went high, and I possibly think it will continue to go up. But let's see how our price will play out. But for today only is our analysis that I've just done. So exactly what we want to trade, what we see, and not what we think. And now we can see that on our 1-hour time frame, our price is actually giving us a pullback. We definitely want to be seeing the price pull back to this area before you actually go bullish. So that is my analysis for the day. Thank you very much.